Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So we have an update on our Google Sheet that was not working last 2 days due to some data issue. So based on our monthly positional and weekly positional, we are following our Google Sheet to find out the trade opportunities. The sheet is a tool to find trades very easily, and those who are attending my advanced option strategy, I am also providing the charting scanners for a positional strategy. And maybe we are working on our Google Sheet that may be updated tomorrow or in this weekend. So from Monday onwards, so I'm expecting to that will work. So before that, some of them were asking about, and also last month on our monthly IV sheet also we are not updating some 20 stocks due to the data issue, and this may be rectified soon. So thanks for your patience and sorry for this issue. And one more thing, so my students were asking about the advanced option strategy, how the sheet is not on foremost important to find out the trade, but we have a lot of opportunities without a Google Sheet also we can plan our trades, that how we can effectively do with the charting scanners that I'm going to discuss. So this month, so we have a lot of opportunity, and this sheet data update is 9/7, and today is the date is around 11/7. So this on last 2 days the sheet is not updating. Okay, so from that, so we have an opportunity almost 20 stocks which triggered from that 20 stocks, almost 7 to 8 stocks is given you more than 40% from our entry point. So based on the concept which you are using, that is advanced option strategy concept, you may be use directional or non-directional, but this is a purely a directional trade which I use to find the trades. And without this Google Sheet, how effectively we can use, and each one of my student, I have shared my charting scanners and screeners. They're having a good opportunity where we able to find out some trades here. This month, like REC, PFC, and Glenmark, Lupin, ONGC, which is having good move. So maybe there is an opportunity we will be finding out the trades from this particular list. So let me go for an BHEL 300. So that is what a trade opportunity. In this list, let me check BHEL 300 call. As per our logic, our entry points would be around 32.5, and at the time, so on 9th of this month, it is giving you that same price. But after that, whether it is moves or not, we don't know by using a Google Sheet. But in our chart, we can check 300 call option of BHEL, how it moves, and let me add this pivot. And currently it is 37, and it made a high of 38, our entry point, and it came down to 22. After that entry point, so exact entry on this 32.5. So 32.5 where it is triggers maybe here at this point, and after that it went to 38 again. It came to give you one more opportunity, 22, and now it is bounces back. So still the trade is on because it is a monthly positional where I am using a trade opportunity on positional basis on the monthly wise. Okay, so here a lot of opportunities which triggered on the PFC REC 530. So almost it is already done more than a 50% of 530, maybe REC 530 call option, and the current price is almost 120. That is an huge enough. So 84 is the last price which on 97, and now it is 120. And PFC 485, I think let me check PFC 485. That is also be around 86, and the time it is 67. That is also achieved our target. And these are all the stocks which I got it. So this is what a scanner which we are using combinedly without any Google Sheet, that would be helping us to find out a trade opportunity. And these are all the stocks which I just looking for an opportunity. In this case, REC, PFC, Glenmark also be there, 1220 or 1240. That should be the strike price. You know how to calculate our enterprise based on the calculation. That also you should look at, and Lupin, ONGC also be there. And let me check ONGC 275 call option. Let me check ONGC 275 20. At the time it is 24. Let me check what is the current price of ONGC. We check ONGC 275 whether it is moves good or not. So July 275 call option. Now it is almost 32. So our breakout point is somewhere around 20. Now 32 is more than 50% because the sheet is not working. But how the sheet is helping you to real time trade is already fixed at a strike price as an entry price, and the LTP is going to be updated here in the sheet itself. So it may be easy, but if you are using it, may be time taken. But we will use this Google scanner to find out a trade opportunity very easily, and maybe new opportunities where you can scroll down. So you will be finding out new opportunity like HDFC Life, ITC, ZS, and HDFC National Aluminum. These are all the stocks. In a put side, so we are looking for an idea. Idea is not a high value stocks. We simply ignore on Bank of Baroda, RBL Bank. So these are all the stocks we're showing in a put side. And also we suggested based on the expected momentum or expected movement. So we are finding some stocks in our monthly IV sheet. So maybe let me check that stocks almost we are crossed 10 days. But in this month, the monthly IV sheet is not working good. That means updated good. But the stocks, we selected some of the stocks like Titan, MPSs, IRCTC, Tata Chemical. These are all the stocks which you are, sorry, July, na? So let me filter out. You can see some of the stocks data is not updating. That's a major issue for us that also affected our Google sheet also. So let me check what are the stocks which you are taken out. So these are all the stocks like Bandhan Bank. I seen somewhere else in Bandhan Bank. Where it is, I seen in a Bandhan Bank, Bank of Baroda. Somewhere else you can find it. It's not there. So let me check with our Google sheet. So some of the stocks are not updating also. That is the main issue. And then yeah, that is not available here. And let me check some of the stock: TCS, Trent, M&M, LTF, Indo Hotel. These are all the stocks which I'm looking for. And BPCL here, Bandhan Bank is the last one. Let me check TCS. It's a good move. So from this beginning of the month, where it is the starting, here is the first of the month. So it is not moved yet, and it is initially moved and then returned back to the same price. And maybe whether it is triggered our entry point or not, we have to check with our strategy. So and after finding the movement, we can check it. But Exide, Federal Bank, so a lot of stocks which we are selected, and you should check whether it is triggered or not. So once it is to the Exide at this particular day, so here it is not moved yet. So from the beginning of this month, maybe it is not giving you any opportunity. And based on the Google Sheet, we simply finding out. So I'm apologies for that. It is not working right now. And this monthly sheet you can follow, and if you are following our strategy, this you can utilize. That will help you to find out the new trade opportunities based on the concept which you are using for to find out the breakout as well as hedging strategies. Maybe you can utilize this one, and it will be giving you such a good idea where you can easily finding out some trades. I think that's working on, and that's why last 2 days also no videos. And also maybe this weekend also we'll try to start over that is, and maybe from Monday onwards you will be getting that update. And those who are my using our Google Sheet, maybe it is expiring this week, so I will give you 1 week extend for this data issue. So no problem, so will be rectified, and I'll be updating on my videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much.